Dimensional shapes part 1. You are aware about the two-dimensional shapes, means like the rectangle, circle, square, triangle. All these are the two-dimensional shapes. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid, prism and pyramid. Here some examples are given: the brick, the box, the sound. This sound shape is cuboid. This box is cube shaped. This brick is of cuboid shape. This is the prism. This is another prism, and these are the pyramids. You heard about the pyramids, Egypt pyramids. Okay. Here three figures are given: segment, rectangle and the box, or we can say cuboid. This is the segment. Segment has only length. This ray has only length. The line has only length. So if description of the figure can be based on the one measurement only, that is the length, then it is called as the one dimensional figure. So segment or ray or line is one dimensional shape. Now the rectangle. Rectangle has length, rectangle has width. Means it has two dimensions. This is called as the dimensions. Length is the one dimension and another is the width here. So this rectangle is two dimensional figure like square, pentagon, circle, triangle. All these are the two dimensional shapes. Now the cube, cuboid and prism. This cube has the length, it has the width or breadth, and it has the height also. This cuboid has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. A figure which we need three measurements to describe is called as a three-dimensional figure. Here also length, breadth and height. In cube also length, cube has the all faces equal shape, so we can consider only length here, but it has also height, length and width. Okay, these are the some more examples: book, football, table, dice and ice cream cones. All these are the three-dimensional shapes, where square, rectangle and circle are two-dimensional shapes. Now different types of solid figures means the three-dimensional shape. Geometrical figure. This is the figure of the cube. This is the figure of the cuboid. This is the figure of the cone, cylinder and sphere. So each figure has the edges, corners. We have learnt that the triangle has three edges, means three sides. Square, rectangle has four edges or four sides. So this cube or cuboid has how many edges? These are the edges. See, this is the edge of the cube. Understood? And these are the corner points, means nothing but the vertices. This is the vertex. This is the vertex. This is one more vertex. Like this. Here also vertex. Okay, and the faces. So what is mean by face? Face means a flat surface. The figure which have the flat surface. So this is the flat surface. If we cut it, the cube or cuboid, we will get like this. So how many faces does it have? Bottom and top 1, 2, and these four side faces 1, 2, 3 and 4. Front side and back side, and these two lateral faces, top and bottom. So total 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Flat surface means the face. So this cube or cuboid has the 6 faces. This is the figure of the cube. A cube whose all edges are equal is called a cube. The typing mistake is there. It should be cube, not the cuboid. Okay. So cube whose all edges are equal is called a cube. And each face of the cube is of square shape. This top face is square shape. This front face is also square shape. This side face is also square shape. Means each face is of square shape. These are the some examples of the cube. Ice cube, dice. You play with it. Rubik's cube. Also you used to play this. Now the cube has how many faces, how many edges and how many vertices that we have to count. Just we have learned that cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and top and bottom 6. 6 faces are there. Now how many edges? See, if you observe the figure neatly, this top face is of square shape. So square has the 4 edges. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, the bottom face also has the square shape. So it has the 4 edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? Then these are the 4 heights. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 top, 4 edges, 4 edges of bottom and the 4 heights. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 edges. Each cube has 12 edges. And the corner points or vertices, 8 vertices. This top face again is a square shape. So square has the 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the bottom face also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 8 vertices. Take your Rubik's cube or die in your hand and count the faces, edges and the corner points or vertices. Then this is the cuboid. So what is the difference between the cube and cuboid? In cube, each face is of square shape and in cuboid, it is of rectangle or square shape. So these are the some examples of the cuboid. Cupboard, of the cuboid. Cuboid is also called as the rectangular prism. Like the cube, cuboid also has the 6 faces, top and bottom, and these 4 lateral faces or side faces. So total 6 faces. Now edges. Again this top face is of rectangle shape. You know that rectangle has 4 sides. Bottom face is of rectangle shape. So it has also 4 sides and the 4 heights. 2, 3 and 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12 edges or 12 sides. And the 8 vertices. Top 4 vertex and the bottom 4 vertices. Total 8 vertices.